Enough of that trap music. Ooh, turn it back, turn it back, turn it back, turn it back. Hey! Wait, it looks kind of crooked. Don't move. Ooh. Hey! Hey to family. Welcome to another video. If you are new here, like I always say, thank you. Why don't you subscribe, stay a while, enjoy some more videos from me. I have tons of videos if you're interested. And if you are a regular part of the family, welcome back. What is this video all about? I know I'm doing a lot of talking, but a lot of talking about nothing. Yes, this is a confessions video. Confessions of a green beauty makeup enthusiast or vlogger, blogger, whatever you want to call me. I don't really have a title. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because I heard a story of someone being green beauty makeup shamed, kind of, where this person is transitioning into the green beauty world and everything that they were wearing that day wasn't green beauty, and somebody that is in the green beauty circle was like, oh well, not word for word, but basically you're not fully there yet, you're not cool yet because this one product that you were wearing was not green beauty, so therefore you're not part of the cool kids club. You can't sit with us because you're not fully there. Well, I'm here to confess because I guess I'm not part of the cool kids club. I guess I can't sit with y'all because I am not perfect, and I'm here to show you guys my imperfections because I'm tired of makeup shaming in that sense, where you're trying to make somebody feel bad for not being perfectly green or for not being a green beauty enthusiast or using green beauty makeup or vegan non-toxic makeup as well. So if y'all want to come for me in the comments, come for me, but I don't care. I'm just here to share my journey, and I'm just here to motivate somebody else who wants to transition and just tell you guys it ain't gonna be perfect. It's all about trying. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. Get it? That's what the video is gonna be about, so let's go. My first confession as a transitioning green beauty person, because I don't know what title to give myself. My first confession is I still have conventional makeup products. Yes, I do. One of those products I will show you. This is a BH Cosmetics 28 color neutral eyeshadow palette. This one right here is very conventional. This was a gift and it means a lot to me because it's just a story behind it. So because of the sentimental values, and I'm not really that much of a sentimental person to hold on to things, but this means a lot to me, so I would never get rid of this. I mean, the colors are beautiful, still barely used, but I love this. Is before I transitioned over, but I would never get rid of this. Another reason why I still have old conventional products is because I don't want to waste things. I rather give it to someone who needs it or donate it. I don't see the point in getting rid of it and wasting it. I just don't. It's just, unless it's expired. Another confession is, still to this day, I would say I'm like 90% green, but not everything I use is green. It isn't. And there are a few reasons for that. One of the reasons is because I cannot find what I need in the green beauty space for the things that I need to get done beauty wise. Does that make sense? Like, for example, my eyebrows. If you guys are new to the channel, let you know a little secret. I have struggle brows. I really have really thin, sparse eyebrows. I'm just not a hairy person on my brows. So because of that, it's hard for me to find a good brow pencil that works for me. I've been searching in the green beauty space. I haven't found one yet. I still use my conventional brow product. I still do because it works for me. When I do my tutorials, I don't show that part, not because I'm hiding it, but because I really want to focus on showing you guys my transition to green beauty and showing you guys the green beauty products. But my brow products, that's like the one main thing where I still can't find, ooh, truck. That is like the one main thing where I still can't find anything to match that will work on my brows that are like, you know, will work the way I want it to. Sometimes, ever so often, I might use a eyeshadow primer. The Urban Decay one is rare. Most of the time I use concealer and I set it with the translucent powder, but sometimes when I know I want to just, like if I'm going to a wedding and I want to just lock in there for good, I never mess up, I never crease, I might use my Urban Decay. But yeah, I still have maybe one or two products that I still use. Another product that I have that I use and I can't get rid of is, let me find it for you. This lipstick by MAC is gonna be the death of me because I've searched high and I've searched low, and this is the ever so popular tried and true. If you want to see, can you guess it? Not much left, but this is Ruby Woo. And Ruby Woo, when it came out, shut down the whole makeup industry. This is like the perfect blue-based red, especially on people of color, dark skin. This looks so beautiful. I haven't repurchased it. I still have this little bit that I have left. But you know, if I'm going somewhere and I really need that perfect red, you know, I mean, I have a lot of other reds from Red Apple. I have reds from Pacifica. I have reds from, who else? I have a lot of other red lipstick. Each of my red lipsticks, they serve a purpose, but something about the mateness of Ruby Woo, just the color, it's like I haven't found anything comparable. So this is still in my collection. It's probably expired all the way right now, but I still use it ever so often. So Ruby Woo, I can't, like, ooh, this ain't going nowhere. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Like I said, these are my confessions. Check me in the comment section if you want. Next confession is I am tempted so many times, so tempted to try conventional makeup products because they just, either I can't find what I want in the green beauty space, or these products just come out with the most beautiful colors, or it's just so tempting. Like, let me give you a good example right now. And I bet you're not the only one. You guys might be too scared to confess this, but if you're not, let me know in the comment section. That Fenty Beauty line by Rihanna. I'm just like, here's my credit card, I'm ready to order everything. I want to try the foundation, the highlight, everything that Rihanna have to offer. The only thing that's stopping me is I promised myself I was going to stop using products with dimethicones. I'm really not about that dimethicone life. That's the issue. But the temptation is so real. Like, I'm gonna give you guys the full tea, the real confession. I actually went to Sephora the other day. I was in the city, and I was trying to get a sample of the foundation, and they were sold out, so they couldn't even give me the sample. But I was that ready. It's the honest truth. It's about a balance. I'm not perfect, and I'm showing you guys this side of me because I don't want you guys to think that I'm just perfect, holier than thou, better than thou kind of person that only use green beauty products. No, I slip up sometimes, and sometimes I want products that I just don't want to use anymore, but I still get it. But it's about a balance. I know what I am doing, I know what I want to achieve, but at the same time, I am not perfect. So clap me in the comment section if you want. Like I said, we'll discuss it. What other product tempted me? Those are eyeshadow. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you one of the biggest temptations. Before Fenty came out, the Juvia's palettes, Juvia's Place, what do you call it? What do you name? Juvia's something, something. Juvia's Palace, Juvia's Place. We're gonna put the name right here, sir. But the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, all of them. Oh, I think I bought 4 of them, should I have now? 3 or 4 of them. Every single one of them, I want them. Because the colors are just so perfect for me, for my skin tone. Beautiful, bright, neutral, all the different colors, warm tones, just, ooh, I just scream every time I see somebody use it. I want it. But like I said, I'm trying to do different things with my life. But that's another makeup item that's in the conventional space that just, I crave the Juvia's Palace. May I say it wrong enough? I crave the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. All of them. So if some eyeshadow companies watching this and you guys make green beauty eyeshadows, you can create a palette like the Juvia's Place, Juvia's Palace palette, Juvia's Place palette, whatever I name. You get all of my coins. I will borrow from my 401k plan to buy it. It's that serious. Another confession that I have is I don't know all of my ingredients yet, which means that I don't know all the negative ingredients to stay away from. Like, some people, you can give them a product and they'll be like, nope, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's a bad ingredient for your skin. I don't know all of them yet. I rely on apps that I use, I rely on my friends, I rely on different things. So you might have the conception that I can see a product and I can tell you right away if it's good or bad. I can probably see a product and I can, like, I would look at it if I'm out somewhere and I don't know exactly what negative things I'm looking for all the time. So I don't know all of my negative ingredients yet. I'm getting there. To make my life a little bit easier, I use the Think Dirty app, or I phone a friend. I call Keisha, like, take a picture. Keisha, look at this product, look at the ingredient. What are the ingredients like? And she'll be like yes and no, because she's more knowledgeable in that area than I am. Next confession is, I get a lot of makeup and beauty inspiration from non-green beauty bloggers or vloggers, and that is just facts upon facts upon facts. I need to get makeup inspiration from people that look like me. So in the green beauty space, there are not that many dark skin people of color. There are not that many black women, to be honest, that I see, especially that are as dark as I am or even darker. So to get makeup ideas or inspiration or anything, I do rely a lot on my regular conventional beauty gurus, because I just love their techniques. I learn from them, and then I apply what I learned from them to the green beauty space. So I'll see an eyeshadow look that they did and I'm like, woo, that's fire. And then I'll search through my green beauty stash and I'll try to recreate it. Yes, I do get inspiration from green beauty vloggers as well, and I get ideas, but most of my strongest ideas are from non-green beauty vloggers and bloggers, enthusiasts, MUAs, what do they call them? Gurus, whatever you want to call them. And because I get most of my inspiration from them, I follow them. Like, that's the next confession. I follow, I watch, I follow, I comment, I subscribe, I like a lot of non-green beauty gurus, bloggers, whatever you want to call them. I don't just surround myself or have a closed mind to just green beauty. I follow, watch everyone. Once you inspire me, once you're creative, and once you have a genuine spirit about you, best believe I'm going to follow you, watch you, not stalk you, but I'll definitely be watching, commenting, rooting for you, cheering for you, and just be supportive in any way that I can, because that's just how I am. I'm still going to support you whether you're using MAC or Plain Jane, whether you're using ColourPop or Pacifica, you know, whether your eyeshadow is from Urban Decay or Mother Bear's Handmade. I'm still going to follow you, and I'm still going to check for you. So it is what it is. I'm not ashamed. I'm not going to stop. You can't make me stop. So it is what it is. Those are all my confessions for now. I feel much better. I feel like, you know, I feel like I can wear white now. Like, you know, I don't feel like I'm a sinner. Why am I so extra? I don't know. I would love if anyone else have any confessions. If they want to write it in the comment section, feel free to do so. If you're too scared, sorry, but you live in like in a very closed-minded, terrified world. You need to get the confession out. It feels so good. It feels so freeing. Just get it out. Just put it in the comment section. We'll discuss it. Or if you really feel brave, if you really want to just confess and just do the whole thing, make a video just like this one. If you guys would, this should be a tag video. Yep, let's make it a tag video. So it's official. Now I'm making it a tag video. So if you want to do the same video where you just spill the beans, where you release all this pent up secrets that you've had inside, and you want to discuss all of your green beauty confessions, feel free to do a video. I would love to watch it, love to hear your confessions. And this is a great way to make people or anyone that is transitioning to green beauty feel more relaxed about it. You know, it's not that stiff. It's not that serious. Let them feel relaxed. Let them feel like, you know, it's okay. You don't have to be perfect. I never want to show that I'm a perfect person, because I'm not. I will always show my imperfections. I will always show my quirks, because I think that's how I connect with you guys better. I think that's how people just connect overall. That is all for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch my other videos. And whatever you're doing in life, whether it's green beauty, locks, whatever you're doing in life, make sure you're always enjoying your journey. That's what it's all about. Bye.
Wait, before you go, if you're interested in green beauty and want to know more about overall wellness, be sure to come out to the Clean Glow event. This event is by my friend Monique, also known as Brown Skin Green and Beauty. She's having her first wellness event. So if you're interested, all the links for this event will be in the description bar. And yes, I'll be in the building. See you there.